Workday is a leading provider for enterprise cloud applications for finance and human resources. As Workday grows its footprint globally, it was imperative for us to deploy in different regions to meet our customer needs. With AWS and public cloud, we've deployed in 6 different regions. We're now migrating, co-innovating, and co-selling to help our customers meet their requirements, and our partnership is just growing further. By moving our customers to public cloud and AWS, our customers can enjoy the elimination of 3-hour downtime window. It gives them a near zero downtime experience for a weekly and monthly maintenance cadence. This also allows customers globally to leverage the regional maintenance windows. The other big benefit is it allows to meet data residency requirements for our customers in different parts of the globe, and finally meet our compliance regulatory requirements, which is also critical, which we are trying to solve with AWS and public cloud.